Hi guys, how are you? This is Ali VDA Home Design. We come up with the new and beautiful kitchen that we done it recently. This kitchen was a little bit different. Here was wall with opening to this side, and we have two posts there. Here was post and like a small short wall here. We remove all of that. We gave them this beautiful kitchen and this beautiful sinks with two faucets. Here you can see the accent cabinet with the metal frame and the glass, and here is very nice and wide cooking area with beautiful granite and on the granite and granite backsplash. This range has an infrared that it can make the food, make the food warm and keep it warm, and you have a very nice open shelving on top to display everything. Here is the nice microwave that you can heat. I think this is a microwave and a speed oven and cook on it. And here you can see very nice 84-inch fridge and freezer. Plus we gave them very nice and beautiful bar on this area with the metal frame door and blue color that we use on the island. And here in this side, they had, this was like a mud room. They had the big pantry on here. We remove it and we gave them like second kitchen that they have a sink, dishwasher, cabinet, and another double oven here to, if in case they have a big party or something, they can use it. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you so much. Comment me below for anything. Have a great one.